Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got a bunch of things in the mail today. So, we're going to go start on the left side, and I got a sample of some hand soap from, see if we can, from this company here. I don't know how I got it. I do have a lot of different ways to get samples. So, anyways, I got that, and then I got some from Pinch Me. I got this sample, and I had it in my head how to say it, but suddenly it went whoop right out of my brain. So I'm not going to try to pronounce it. I'm just going to make myself look silly otherwise. So anyways, I'm going to try this. Usually in the late afternoons, like somewhere between 3 and 5:30 or so, I start to get really a bunch of anxiety. So I'm going to try this and see if it helps. Because it's too early to take my Delta 8. So I'm going to try that. Also, I got the other Sun-Made recipes. This is the healthy living one. So it's got all kinds of different meal recipes in it versus the bakery ones. So I'm going to try to flip through it with one hand. So it's just another item I can put into my preps, so that maybe I can use it. So then I got some seeds from Garden State Gardener. I got, this one says a gift, Lily Lies. It's micro dwarf tomatoes, so I will be trying those in the Aero Garden. I also have some cucumber. Oh, you're not. It's blurry. Sorry. Some some cucumber seeds. And this is from, I believe, the Ukraine seed company. This is from Bunny Hop, which does a lot of micro dwarf seeds. So that's pretty cool. Also, I got some kale seeds. So that's going to be also very fun. I also have some Sunrise Bumblebee tomatoes. I think these are small enough for me to grow in the Aero Garden. I'm not sure. But these are Mini Bell. They are supposed to be a really small tomato, and they're, I guess, considered a micro dwarf. So I should be able to grow these too. So that's what I got in the mail today. It was quite a big haul, for my mailbox anyways. Yeah, so trying to get all my samples available. So that's, let me focus again. That's what I got today. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.